Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to do these nails here, these firework nails. I'll be picking one design to do, and I've left this middle finger here to do the nail on. So first off, I just wanted to let you all know that I've already prepped my nails. I've used Orly base coat along with 2 coats of China Glaze liquid leather, and I let that dry before I start painting. So if you want to know how it's done, keep watching. Okay, so to get this design started, I'm starting off with this brush here. I'll just be loading it up with some white paint and I'll start drawing. So I've already prepared my dappen dish here. I've got my white, and then I've got 2 colours that I want to use. So I've got purple and blue. Okay, so the design I'm just going to show you today is really quick and easy. It's not very difficult at all. It's really similar to this one here. So it's like a starburst kind of effect. So what you want to do is just load your brush with some white acrylic paint, and then you just want to start anywhere on your nail and then flick. And just flick it all the way around the nail in a circular shape. Okay, once you have done that, it's now time to fill in the colour. I'm pretty sure you could all do a better job than me. So I'm just gonna pick out my purple acrylic paint, just a little bit of it, just like so. And I'm just gonna place a little bit of it on each stroke that I made. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the blue and fill in the gaps right under it. Okay, so the same deal, just use a little bit of the acrylic paint and go and fill it in. Okay, once you're done with that, I'm just going to be using a silver glitter, a silver striper glitter. I'm using Art Club's silver glitter, which is this one here, and I'm just going to apply a bit of glitter there for some depth. So just very lightly, just apply the colour. And you can see how it's a bit sparkly like these nails here. And the last step is to use some top coat. I'm just going to use Seche Vite. This will just help seal in your design. Okay. And there, we're finished. And now we have some cool cartoony looking type of fireworks. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you like my videos, please subscribe, or you can check out my blog at www.copythatcopycat.blogspot.com.